Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in my last video, I was unboxing this Harry Potter Potions classroom set, and I said that I would be unboxing and solving this 1000 piece puzzle. And guys, I know that the audio is coming off a bit lagged, but please excuse the audio issues for the video and let's start rebuilding this puzzle. And this puzzle is from New York Puzzle Company, and there is actually a huge collection of these. Their puzzles go from 100 pieces to 1500 pieces, and there is loads of pictures you can choose from. All I know is that I am definitely getting more of these because they're just too good and too entertaining. Judging by how small and intricate these pieces are, I don't think I'm gonna be done anytime soon. This is gonna take a while. So I decided to start off by scattering all the puzzles around the table and like flipping them over so I could see what pieces they are, because I genuinely thought that would help me piece it together. But guys, there is just too much. My table could not handle it, so we had to move to the floor, which actually helped a lot better in the process. So here we are. We moved everything to the floor, and this helped the process a whole lot better because I could actually see all the pieces and I had a lot more space. Guys, forget about when I said that this would take a while. That is not true. This took days. Like, I did not expect it to be this hard, but certain parts of this puzzle were just too complicated, like their faces and Voldemort's dress, like everything was literally black. But it's okay, we're making progress. We actually finished the border of this whole thing, and now all we have to do is fill in this huge void inside. At this point, I feel like I could say that we're almost halfway through. This is unbelievable. Like, the progress we have made is so shocking, and I'm excited to see the end of this. Guys, just take a look at how far we have come. I am so proud of what we did so far, and I cannot wait to see the end. my god, guys, there's literally like 20 more pieces left. Guys, the moment we have all been waiting for is finally here, and this is so unreal to me. Like, days of hard work is finally over, but I can definitely say that this is worth it because this piece is so cool and awesome. I had a lot of fun in the process. It was so entertaining, but also stressful at times, if I'm honest. But I pushed through and I am so happy with the end. So that is all for today's video. I hope you guys had fun watching it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!